What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Brightbill from the Wild Robot. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page and draw two large ovals for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, pull this up and then back out. Now I'm going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size oval on the right. So let's line up the top, come all the way down toward the same height, and then back up towards the top. From the inside of the eyes, let's draw the top edge of the beak. So we're going to start on the left. We're going to go up, round this out, and then bring that down. Let's bring the beak down the side and then out underneath the eyes. So we'll start back on the left. Coming down, bend that out. And the same thing on the right. Let's round out the bottom of the beak. We're going to come down and bend that up. And we'll round out the center. We'll go up and then back down. Let's add a small fold across the top in the center, going up and then down. Now along the side, we're going to draw two small ovals for the nostrils. And we're going to open up the mouth, starting back on the left, angle this down, round out the mouth, and go back up on the right. In the center, let's add a small curve for the tongue, and we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's trace the beak along the bottom, starting from the outside corner, bend this in, and then down, round out the mouth, go up, and then bend that out. Now I want to push the pupils towards the inside, so starting on the left, we're going to draw a smaller oval, going all the way around, come down, and then in towards the bottom. Let's go up to the top of the pupils, draw a small circle for a highlight. Now I want to fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now that we complete the face, let's draw the top half of the head. From the outside left eye, we're going to step out, curve the head, coming up and in towards the middle, go across, and then bring that down on the right side. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve out the cheek. We're going to go out, come around, and then just bring that in. We want to leave a gap in the center. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going around the cheek, come down and in. Let's add that point in the center of the head, starting on the left, come in and up, come down and then out. Now I'm going to add those stripes inside the face, starting from the side of the beak, go straight up, bend that out, do the same thing on the right. And then we'll add those trims around the eye, starting from the inside of the left eye, bend this up and then out. Let's go to the top of the cheek, bend this down and then in underneath the eyes. Now I want to curve the neck coming in and then back out towards the wing. So let's start on the left. Coming in and then bend that out. Let's bend the wing, coming down and then in. Now we're going to draw the bottom half of the body. Starting underneath the wing, we're going to step in, curve around, flatten off the bottom, go up and then in on the right side. Let's tuck the legs in underneath the body, leaving a gap in the center. Start on the left. Bend this down and in towards the heel on both sides. Now let's draw on that first toe, coming down and then out. Let's taper this in and then up towards the ankle. Let's draw the second toe going straight out. And then taper that back in. Let's draw one more toe. We're going to curve this one up and then out. And again, taper this in towards the leg on the outside. And I'll bend the leg going up and then out underneath the body. Let's connect the tip of each toe with the webbing, with a curve coming in. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Brightbill from the Wild Robot. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.